We are making today's face pack with fresh neem leaves from the garden. The leaves of this herbal plant are not only beneficial for our body as food, but its use is equally beneficial for our skin. While making it, let us tell you some special properties of neem leaves, which is also written in Ayurveda. Neem is very popular as a medicinal plant. Its juice is commonly used for antiseptic and antioxidant properties. In our household, we mainly use this for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. So, anything happens to our skin like itching, acne, pimples, or any other issues, two natural ingredients are always there. One is neem leaves and another is raw turmeric juice. Now the leaves should be made into a paste so that we can squeeze the juice. People often ask how to apply neem leaf face pack, but it's not a very rule oriented method. Here you can apply this paste directly on your face. It will also be beneficial for your pimple prone skin. Today we need one small bowl of juice to make this natural homemade face pack. You can make more juice if you need more, but ingredients ratio same as shown. We always try to make our face mask so simple so that everyone can make it so easily. We do not want to add many ingredients to our face pack that dilute the benefits of our primary ingredient. Now to give our face mask a creamy clay texture, we are going to add MULTANI MITTI or Fuller's Earth. It will also help to cleanse our skin impurities like dirt and grimes. As a result, we are going to get a healthy glowing skin naturally. We have these chunks of Multani Mitti from which we are making the powder using blender. You can also buy powder from the market. Anyhow, we need 2 spoons to make our face pack today. Then you need to mix all the ingredients well until it gets a texture like this. This face pack will not only be helpful for your acne prone skin but also removes those dark spots and pimple marks from your face. Apply this remedy all over the skin you want, then keep it until dry and wash with cool water. So simple.